Brooklyn Bridge in the New York City is very famous and well known. But however, the surrounding of the Brooklyn Bridge, that too no less than that. This road is called Front Street, and can you see that teeny gap from the bridge? If you see carefully, you'll be able to see the Empire State Building from that gap. It's so photogenic, and probably in the all over the in the Instagram you will be able to see this photo very often. I mean, this place is called Brooklyn Bridge Park, and there are the green path also. And this bridge is actually the Manhattan Bridge, in the right side of this place from where I am standing, and the left side is of course the Brooklyn Bridge. If you just coming across from the Manhattan to the Brooklyn, and if you come across the Brooklyn Bridge, then you will be able to find this place, and the skyline from and the river is the East River, and the skyline covers World Trade Center. Of course, you can see that this building is a World Trade Center, and there are also Empire State Building. So, right, I mean, the thing is, you can see the entire Manhattan from this place, right? So that is the Manhattan skyline, and this place is actually very beautiful, silent, and just no word is needed. Just you need to see that how beautifully, how gracefully the sun sets down, and nothing much to say about this place. Just let's sit and enjoy the beauty of this place, right? This place is beautiful and also so much peaceful that you will not feel to talk actually. If we talk, I feel that we will break this silence. I don't want to break that. So let's just see how gracefully the day get ends and it welcome the night. It's beautiful, it's graceful, it's silent, and let's feel that silence. so much for watching.